Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 26th of March. The euro edged lower today against the dollar after it touched a three-week high on Friday. World equities turned negative and demand for high-yielding currencies fell on concerns over a slowdown in the global economy. The single currency remains fragile as the market is waiting on Italy's bond auction, while fears about a eurozone debt contagion are heightened. Eyes turn to Germany's IFO business sentiment due later today, while European leaders are due to meet later this week. The US dollar weakened on Friday, weighed by a fall in the US Treasury yields. The greenback was also weighed by an unexpected fall in new home sales and a lower US consumer confidence index. Versus the Japanese yen, the greenback recovered from a 10-day low at 81.97 to trade as high as 82.77 at the start of the new week. The pair was supported by Japanese importers, but the pair remains under pressure as US bond yields have eased from their recent highs. The Australian dollar, which suffered significant losses versus the greenback last week, edged higher to 104.92 from 103.71 trading on Friday. The Aussie came under pressure after economic data revealed that China, Australia's largest trade partner, may be facing an economic slowdown. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices jump to $108.23 a barrel from $105.15, a 2.98 rise. Gold rose to $1,668.81 an ounce from $1,641.80, and gold edged higher to €1,256.42 an ounce from €1,246.83. Silver jumped to $32.36 an ounce from $31.41. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. Pivot points at 132.20 with a preference to enter into long positions at 132.30. The dollar yen pivot points at 82.90 with a preference to enter into short positions at 82.85. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 104.20 with a preference to enter into long positions at 104.20. The sterling dollar pivot points at 158.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 158.25. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9960 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9960. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 105.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 105.70. The gold pivot points at 1653 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1653, and the silver pivot points at 31.73 with a preference to enter into long positions at 31.73. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. On the calendar, the market movers are the UK housing prices forecast to gain 0.3%, EU IFO business climate forecast to rise to 109.6, US IFO current assessment forecast to rise to 117. US pending home sales forecast to gain 1%. An interesting pair last week was the Euro Aussie, which produced a spectacular rally, rising as high as 127.52 on Friday. The pair appreciated by 351 pips and thus recorded a weekly return of 2.8%. Friday's close was at 126.76 and the next resistance level is at 127.52. It will be an interesting pair to see whether it continues its rally this week. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good week.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.